Good morning, students. Today we will start the new lesson of Standard 6 Maths, lesson number 16, Quadrilaterals. A quadrilateral is a shape which has 4 sides and 4 angles. It is not necessary it should be a square or it should be a rectangle only. Any closed figure who has 4 sides and 4 angles. So that is the quadrilateral. Let's see the rules of quadrilateral. Take 4 points ABCD on a paper such that any 3 of them will be non-collinear. These points are to be joined to make a closed figure, but in such a way that when any 2 points are joined, the other 2 must lie on the same side of that line. The figure obtained by following the given rules is called a quadrilateral. Now here you can see there are 4 lines. There are 4 points. Yes. So there are 4 points, point A, point B, point C and point D. Now how to join these lines? You have to join like this, like this, like this and like this. So this will become a quadrilateral. Instead, if you join it like this and like this, so that will not be a quadrilateral. Why? Because this one side remains open. Yes, this one side remains open, and what is said? These points are to be joined to make a closed figure, but in such a way that when 2 points are joined, the other 2 must lie on the same side of that line. So when 2 points are joined, this is one point and this is one point. So when 2 points are joined, the other 2, that means the remaining 2 should lie in the same side. Now this is one side of the line, this line, this is one side of the line, this is another side of the line. When we have to join this, it becomes cross. So that means we cannot draw such quadrilateral. Instead, how we can draw is like this. Just join 4 points. Okay. Let's figure out which all are the quadrilaterals here. This is quadrilateral ABCD. This is a quadrilateral. This is also a quadrilateral because why? This is one point, this is another point, this is third and this is fourth. Here this is 1, this is 2, this is 3 and this is 4. What about this? Like a triangle, quadrilaterals ABCD is a closed figure. The 4 line segments that form a quadrilateral are called its side. Segment AB, segment BC, segment CD and segment AD are the 4 sides of this quadrilateral. Point A, B, C and D are the vertices of the quadrilateral. Now first and second is easy. You can make out that these 2 are the quadrilaterals. What about this? If you take this figure, you flip this off, you flip this lower triangle, you take this point to this side and this point to this side, that will become a square like structure. So this is also a quadrilateral. And what about this? Though this has 4 points, this is 1 point, this is second point, this is third and this is fourth point, but still it is making a triangle and all the 4 points, all the 4 vertices are not enclosed within the figure. This side remains open. So this figure is not a quadrilateral and the remaining 3 figures are the examples of quadrilateral. Let us study now what are the properties, what is the base of the quadrilateral.